Imagine a place where the sun kisses the sea, where ancient history meets modern luxury, a place of unmatched beauty and allure. Welcome to Antalya and Alanya, Turkey. Nestled on Turkey's stunning turquoise coast, these cities offer a blend of rich history and breathtaking natural beauty. With such captivating beauty, it's no surprise that Antalya and Alanya are home to some of the world's best all-inclusive hotels. Antalya and Alanya are not just about natural beauty, they offer an array of top-tier hotels that are tourists' first choice. The hotels in these areas are renowned for their luxurious accommodations, where every room is a testament to opulence and comfort. The world-class dining experiences are a culinary journey unto themselves, with expert chefs curating menus that are a delightful blend of local and international cuisine. But the indulgence doesn't stop there. The hotels boast rejuvenating spa services that are perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring. Trained professionals offer a variety of treatments that soothe the senses and renew the spirit. And for those seeking a dash of adrenaline, a plethora of recreational activities are on offer. From engaging water sports to immersive cultural excursions, there's something for everyone. When it comes to comfort, luxury, and exceptional service, nothing beats the all-inclusive hotels in Antalya and Alanya. Want to uncover more of Turkey's hidden gems? Stay tuned with us. Subscribe to the Turkey Travel Destinations channel for a treasure trove of updates and insider tips. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on a journey through the breathtaking landscapes and luxurious accommodations of Turkey. Adventure awaits.